What if you had a step-by-step guide to create joy and fulfillment as you navigate the empty nest? I'm Barbara Zinda with Better Together Life Coaching, and I created a roadmap to help empty nesters. We're going to really dive into it live February 8th. Please join us. It's this Saturday at 2 o'clock Central Standard Time. You can register on my website, bettertogetherlifecoaching.fun. And in the roadmap, empty nesting is a very personal experience, and every person experiences it a little differently. And there are stages, and the amount of time that you stay in each stage can vary. Some people get stuck in that first step, which is embracing the shift and realizing that things are different, and embracing it instead of running away from it, or instead of feeling all the negative emotions that can come in. You're going to feel some negative emotions, but are you going to stay stuck there? Or can you move to the more fun stages, like stage 2 and 3, where you're decluttering and really getting rid of things that don't serve you? I had a client who would walk past pictures every single day that just made her feel really sad. They were from an earlier stage where the kids were younger, and every time she looked at them, it was just a reminder that they're not in the home anymore. By making a small shift and getting rid of those pictures and adding in new pictures that brought her joy, that small step helped her to really get out of that negative mindset and to stay in a more positive frame of mind. So decluttering is part of step 2 that we're going to get into on February 8th, and we'll really dive into some other ways that you can have fun as an empty nester. For example, lightening your load. What's on your calendar? What relationships are you holding on to that aren't serving you anymore? There's a lot that goes into having a positive mindset as an empty nester. And my life's mission is to help people do that. We are better together. So I've created a community. We have coaching calls, we have group calls, we have individual calls where you get to really dive into your personal experience. What are you going through? And what is it like for you? And what are some shifts that can help you to move to the next best step? So please go to my website and check out the registration. It's a very simple registration. Put in your name, your email address, and I'll send you the Zoom link. And you can join us live on Saturday, February 8th, 2 o'clock Central Standard Time. We're going to dig into the Empty Nester Roadmap and talk about some actionable items that you can take today and as you navigate through this journey to make it easier, to make it better, more fulfilling, and for you to experience more joy. I'm Barbara Zinda. Find me at bettertogetherlifecoaching.fun, and I'll see you on Saturday.